Good morning, Ahmedabad. We are here again. Avra is our brand, and we have the finest chicken curry in town. We are exhibiting here for 3 days. I'll show you the latest collections we have right now. Ye is on pure georgette. Brides can wear this. We are actually customizing the same kind of lehenga. ये multicolor moti और sequins use हुआ है. ये इसका दुपट्टा है, and we can make it as a lehenga also. This is the दो तार का work. This is the very fine work. इसमें जाली का काम है. One of the finest work is chicken is considered to be दो तार का work. इसमें आगे पीछे full work आएगा, and again this is a dyeable product. This is our latest collection. ये अंगरखा पैटर्न है. अंगरखा में we have white also, and you can see the sleeves and all. आपको regular अंगरखा दिखा होगा अभी तक. इस तरीके की sleeves हमने अभी add करी है. So this is what we have. This is the raw color of tissue, which we can actually dye for you, but people wear it in the same colors only because they itself look very beautiful. We have added some designer things also. This is a pure mal ka pita work. Isme we have added dupatta. So we have given a contrast dupatta to it. This thing I think will do justice when you come here and see this piece finally. कि ये कैसा लग रहा है. इसमें we can customize the colors for you. We have a wide range of organza for the evenings and other functions, the dinners for you. The regular cotton wears we have for office, the casual wears, pure cottons this is. Like it is not with that heavy mota काम. ये बारीक वाला काम आएगा because generally cottons में आपको मोटा और घास पट्टी work ज़्यादा मिलता है. But the casual wears में we are going to give you the intricate work. Even the styling, the fitting, we have this in all sizes till 44. White में हमारे पास मल में बहुत सारे patterns हैं, straight में हैं. ये एक different style के अनारकलीज हैं, अंगरखा है. It is not like that flary. It is in pure mul fabric. The designer pattern. आप इसका sleeves देखिए. The sleeves doesn't have any shoulder, so there is no problem of dropping shoulder and all for the size. इसके नीचे जो work दिया है, the intricate border which has been given, that itself add a very grace to this dress. Flowy A lines हैं हमारे पास, like ये girls को बहुत पसंद आता है. We have kept it in white. We can change the colors also. Straight के patterns हैं मोडाल में. We have the straight. We have कोटा. कोटा में अजरक के काम के साथ भी हमारे पास काफी patterns आपको white में मिलेंगे. We have this designer patterns also. इसमें मोती के साथ का काम जो आप denims के साथ भी पहन सकते हो. Pure मल के fabric में transparent is not a problem in this because mal ke inners we add and we customize that in your size. We have a beautiful range of short shirts also. कुछ चीजें हमारे collection में फिर से add हुई हैं which was much needed by everyone. These are the shirts. ये tie वाले side tie वाले knot वाले shirts हैं which with bell sleeves. ये formals में भी काम आते हैं. You can pair them up in casuals also. These shirts have been added. These shirts much in demand with Avra. We have them in white, so this time you can customize your own colors. You can choose your own colors in them. Wide range in cottons and this Dolby cottons and georgettes, all these patterns. ये पूरा नया collection है अभी shorts में. We have range of pants. Linen pant is a must to have in your cupboard. This is very comfortable. ये ankle length pant है and I'm sure like जो भी ये पहनता है उसकी fitting के उसके work के हिसाब से वो लेकर ही जाता है ये वाली pants. We'll move on to dupattas. We have low range of dupattas also, and for the bridal season right now we have got heavy range of dupattas also. Golden कटदाने के साथ का काम. You can see this is a pure georgette thing. For the winter season, we have added shawls this time. This can be used for the gifting also. आपको weddings में gift करने हैं तो भी ये shawls आप use कर सकते हो. ये सारे लखनवी embroidery के साथ they are pure woolen shawls. So it has their own work also along with the Lucknowi things customized added to them. The last but not the least section, these are the clutches and purses we have added. ये आप गिफ्टिंग्स में यूज़ कर सकते हैं. आप खुद की साड़ी के साथ वेडिंग्स में यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एंड दे लुक वेरी प्रिटी व्हेन यू होल्ड. दीज आर रॉ सिल्क बेसिकली और इसके ऊपर पीटा का कटदाना का विद लखनवी वर्क वी हैव एडेड. जूट के क्लचेस हैं फॉर द गिफ्टिंग थिंग्स. वी हैव दीज डायरीज ऑल्सो जो कंकोत्री लिखने के लिए आजकल बहुत यूज हो रही हैं, विच इज वाइड इन डिमांड विद अस. So much for watching, but I would really love if you can come here. आप आइए यहाँ पे बेज गैलरी, थलतेज बेज गैलरी, I think bungalow number 14, and we are here today, tomorrow and day after. For 3 days we are here, so I would love you to come here and see. We have beautiful colors. The pastels we have added, lot more is coming by noon. So you will see the different colors, the embroidery. इसके हाथ पे जो काम है, इसका हम stitching भी करते हैं. We stitch along with the inner. We make pants also. So you can find the best stitching part also with us in Lucknowi. The colors are very pastels. बूटी का काम, intricate work, पोत के मोती, ये सब add हुआ है along with the पीटा work. पीटा का काम भी हमने जॉर्जेट्स में लखनवी के साथ में एम्बेलिशमेंट किया हुआ है. ऑर्गेन्जा वी हैव एडेड. वी हैव अ वाइड रेंज ऑफ ऑर्गेन्जा का कलर्स. 2 तार का वर्क, ये ऑर्गेन्जा पे ही 2 तार का काम किया हुआ है. दिस इज आवर वाइट का कलेक्शन. सो इन द प्योर मल्स along with embellishments you can see the different kinds of dupattas added, and sleeves, all of the sleeves have different work. So you can come and check the fabrics here. Sleeves पे आपको बहुत काम मिलेगा. Sarees in cotton chanderis. We have in pure georgettes with resham धागा का काम. We have heavy work for brides mothers. So ये 2 तार का काम है. आपको इतना intricate work जो लखनवी में दिख रहा है, ये rarely देखने मिलेगा. These are the collections जो एक साल में बनता है. ये साड़ीज बनाने में 1 साल लगता है. The colors, and it is not that we have only one of this kind. We have a range of these kinds of sarees also to show you. It comes in colors, and the best part is that we can customize these sarees for you. You can come to our boutique. You can select your own blocks, your own colors, your own patterns, and then we can make this saree for you. And the process, we can show you how it is going on. The chapai and everything we'll show you. So it will be like a customized thing, because this is something which your heart relates to. अगर आप शादी में पहन रहे हो तो this should be like look like कि हाँ you have put your heart into it. So we do it that way. This is organza. Organza में रेशम धागे का काम है. Double matching colors के threads. We have range of colors in this also. Pure georgettes में we have added with these embellishments. We have customized 2 lehengas. I'll share pictures if you want to. We have customized 2 lehengas for bride's sister for her mehndi function in the same color. The block and everything was selected by her. So I felt very good when she was happy with the outcome. So I'll show you. We have brought something for young girls. These are the gowns. Dyeable again. You can change the color. You can use it many times as you want. Collection with different patterns have been added. The flowy skirts we have in georgettes, the gowns we have in georgettes for them. Sorry. Okay. Here are the different satin sets for you. In beautiful ombre shades we have. इसमें मोटा काम है, लेकिन कईयों को पसंद आता है. So size is not a problem with Avra. We can cut short the length for you. You can customize the piece. ये प्योर के मोडाल पैंट्स के साथ के सेट्स हैं. We have cord sets. Cord sets mein you can make your own pairs also. We have a wide range of pants and plazos and dupattas. You can select the shirt, you can select the pant, we can customize the plazo sets for you. Sari is one of the finest thing which Avra gives you.